Okay, so a lot of more progress today. Today we pulled the steering column and the entire dash, gearbox, all that out of the old body, transferred it over to the new body along with the pedals. So we now have a working clutch again, a working throttle. The parking brake will work as soon as I hook the cable to the pedal. And we transferred the rest of the harness over. So the main harness up on the firewall has been transferred over. Some of that stuff's plugged in. The brake booster got cleaned up and painted, moved over from the old body. So we gotta get the brakes plumbed, and I gotta plug in a couple things under the steering column, and then go through my reference photos and finish hooking up what I can under the hood. And after that, we're gonna have to start working on the fenders, the grill, things like that, get those prepped and painted, cut in, ready to put back on the vehicle. Just keep moving forward. So I think we are around the 2-week mark, and we almost have a running driving vehicle again.